In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a transferable Pi to Mainnet. First thing you need to do is make sure that you have the Pi browser installed on your phone or into your actual device. Once you have it right there, next thing you need to do is you can actually just use it, and if you have any transferable balance, you can go ahead and transfer it to Mainnet. So to do it, I have in you this help article. Make sure to install the Pi browser application. Make sure that you have a Pi wallet and confirm your wallet. Choose how much Pi to lock, secure account, and do your KYC or identity check. KYC is short for Know Your Customer. Wait for KYC approval, and after that, agree to receive tokens. Once you receive those tokens, you can move your Pi to mainnet through that way. So in there, it's actually vital to transfer the Picoin because it have increased values. It has or gives you access to features as well as it gives community engagement. So to transfer it to your mainnet, make sure to enter your Picoins to mainnet, make sure to verify your account and withdraw Pi points. On there, this is what it would look like. Head over right here and then choose the transferable balance. Click on transfer and then click on pay or request option that you can see right there in order to transfer it. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.